Hey, what's up? I'm Kim Witte of WitteArtistry. I'm a professional makeup artist, and I'm going to be demonstrating a whole makeup tutorial using a couple of different products, along with topping off the look with FLYDear Lenses. They sent me a handful of lenses to test out with my looks. So this whole video is sponsored by FLYDear. Let's get into the tutorial. Just for dramatic effect, I think I'm going to apply one half of my makeup first, just so you can see like the difference between a face with full makeup and a face without full makeup, and then finish off this side and then put in the lenses. Alright, we're starting off with priming our face with a MAC Fix Plus primer, followed by Urban Decay's Primer Potion. I love this stuff for smoothing out eyeshadow for your eyelids. It just makes everything apply nicely. Then I cover it with some concealer with a beauty blender, and then I'm using a beauty trick where you take Scotch tape and then you tap it on your hand a bunch, and then you can use it to get a really intense like cut look for your eyeshadow. Then with black eyeshadow, I'm going into the crease and I'm going to be smudging this out, creating a ridiculously smoky look that's very intense, followed by Glam's silver eyeshadow from the palette they gave me, and I'm putting it in the center of my lid and then blending that out, darkening up the crease again just to make this super extreme, and then cleaning it up with some eyeliner. I am using body paint for the eyeliner because I just think it works really well, and then satisfying peel removal, wha-bam, looking glorious. Now I'm going to cover my face with the Glam Birthday Skin Primer. This stuff was really smooth and smelled really great, so I got that on my skin, and I am doing the half and half look, so keep that in mind while I'm doing this. Got it on, let it dry. I put concealer on my under eyes just to remove those dark circles and blended them out, followed by bringing some of the eyeshadow down to my lower lid, which ended up being a mistake later because it blended out when I wanted to wear it out, so I had to take it off, which was kind of sad. But I am using the liquid blush to add some blush and some highlight to the top of my cheekbones, just make them cheekbones pop, and I decided to add some to my nose and my cupid's bow because I was feeling a little extra. Powder the face so that foundation is set in place, and then I'm using a lip tint, which is really fun because you put it on and it changes color with your body warmth. So it starts off looking super nude and then it transfers into a really cute pinky color. Powdering it up, finishing the whole face, and then adding the lip tint to the other side, and then the makeup look is done. What do you think, guys? Moving on to putting in these lenses. Alright, here's the finished look using all Glam products. I really like how this birthday skin primer works. It smooths everything out, covers your pores, and made for a really smooth foundation application, but also just like grabs the foundation and holds it in place really well. Let's move on to trying out some of these lenses from FLYDear. They sent me 4 lenses: the Cosmo Browns, Luxury Purple, Luxury Green, and Crystal Gray. Let's start with the brown, and I'll show you one eye with and one eye without. Alright, first up is the Cosmo Brown. Alright, there we go. We got the Cosmo Brown in the right eye. I'm going to take a picture so you can show up close what it's like. I love how vibrant this is and how large the lenses are. They're also like really comfy, really breathable. I'm going to put in the other one. And honestly, they're pretty easy to get in too. The most difficulty I had was simply just trying not to mess up the makeup. Alright, we got them both in the Cosmo Brown. It looks great. Honestly, it makes my eyes look huge. It's super comfortable, breathable, easy to get in. I got it in like 2 seconds. So I'm going to be taking these out, putting in some solution into one of the cute little cases they gave me, and moving on to the next color. But honestly, I think I look good with brown eyes. What do you think? Time for the Luxury Purple. These ones should basically make my eyes look purple as if it occurred naturally. Ooh. Ooh, check that out. Oh, it's like my eyes are like a purple tint with my blue. It's like a blue purple. I love it, I love it. These are so comfortable. Wow. Let's put in the next one. Yes, got them both in. Okay, honestly, this color with this dark of an outfit and this dark of eyeshadow is lit. I love it. Alright, so that is the Luxury Purple lenses from FLYDear. I love them. They are a 1-year lens, so you can wear them for the duration of an entire year. Just make sure you take care of them and you put them in their little containers with your solution and everything, and rinse them with solution before you put them in. Let's take these ones out, move on to the next color. those are in their little cubbies. Now we're gonna move on to the luxury green, which is my personal favorite color, so I might wear these with my outfit tonight. All right, green is in, vibrant, poppin', definitely matches my skirt. Cute. Let's do the left one. Ooh, starting to think that second one wasn't gonna go in, but I got it. Green ones, love them. Like, really love them. They look super realistic, they're comfortable, we're good to go here. We're going to take those out, put them in the little tray, and then we'll move on to the last color, which is gray. This is the crystal gray. Not a huge change with the crystal gray because my blue is already really light, but still cute. Thank you so much, FLYDear, for sponsoring this video and sending me all these lenses. I'm a huge fan, especially of the green. It just pops, and it's my favorite color of green, so that definitely helps. If you're interested in getting some of these lenses, please head to the website here and use the code KIM10 to get 10% off at checkout. By the way, there is a special going on that if you buy 2, you get 1 lens free. And also if you buy 3, you get 2 lens pairs free. There's free shipping on all orders over $20, so go use that code, get yourself some pretty lenses for Halloween, just for fun, just to wear out and about. That's what I'm gonna do with the green ones. I'm so excited. And just so you know, make sure you see an optometrist so you know what your eyeball measurements are and if you need prescription lenses or not. These are FDA approved and FDA regulated. Thank you so much, FLYDear, for working with me. I really appreciate it. And also, huge shout out to my wonderful Patreon producers. Wah, 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 wah. Thank you so much for sponsoring what I do here and just having my back in the biggest way possible. I appreciate you guys, and thank you, Glam, for sending me these beauty products. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next video.